Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism in SolidWorks. So let's start. So as you can see that I'm in assembly mode. So click on design library, click on toolbox, click on add in now. Now click on an metric, click on power transmission, click on gears, select as per gear, decrease the number of teeth. In my case 15 is fine. Let's make it 20. 20 is fine for me. Okay. After that what I will do, I will click OK, close this, select the part, click on sketch, click on convert entities, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C to copy the sketch, close, exit the sketch mode, click on here, click on new part, select the right plane, press Ctrl V, go to the features, extrude 10 click OK, select this face, click on sketch, draw a circle here and do extrude cut and give it a dimension as per your requirement of course. For so fine extrude cut through all. Okay, a question comes to your mind, why I'm doing this if I'm using the geometry. So I want to do some modification in the geometry. So if I do any kind of modification in this part, it will run my whole library. So never do this. I regret a lot of times, so I never do that. Okay, and select this, press F2 and give it name 20T1M. 20T means 20 teeth, 1M is 1 module. Exit the additional component mode. Select this part, click on delete. Yes, and delete the sketch as well. Okay, now one part is complete. Now drag and drop this again, but this time the number of teeth will be 15. Click OK and make sure that the module is also same, because if two gears have different modules, they will never mesh with each other. Select this face, click on sketch, click on convert entities, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C, yes, exit the sketch mode, click on here, new part, select the right plane, press Ctrl V, features, extrude 10 ok, select this face, click on sketch, draw a circle here of diameter 4 escape, select this point by pressing Ctrl, select this point, make it, sorry, select this point by pressing Ctrl, select this point, make it coincide, click on extrude cut through all. Okay, exit the additional component mode. Now select this part, delete. Yes, also delete the sketch and we are someplace. Now next question arises, what should I do next? So I have to import a rack. Make sure rack has the same module as the gears. So what is the module of these? One. So it must be have one module. About length can be controlled by you. In my case 100 is fine. Click OK and close this. Now I will select the right plane, click on sketch. What I will do, I will make some points. Let's say the center of origin and this one. Press escape. So the distance from here to here will be what? It will be uh, 20 plus 15 divided by 2. Click OK. Exit the sketch mode. Mate. Select this point, select this, make it concentric. Click OK. Select this face and select the right plane. Click OK. Select this face and this point, make it concentric as well. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Uh, Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, align them correctly. So click on here, rotate component because I want to rotate it. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click on make parallel. I don't want constant, just want parallel. Click OK. Move it this side. Close this. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8. Drag it up to here. Go to the mates. Select this face and the front plane. Click on distance. Enter the distance. In my case, 26.1 is fine. Click OK. Close this. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now what I want to do is I want to basically do some meetings. So how can I do it? So I will go to the mates and click on mechanical gear. Select this face and this face. So this face has how many teeth? 20. This face has how many teeth? So this gear has how many teeth? 15. Click OK. Let's see if it's working or not. Yep, it's working correctly. Now next thing is this one. Go to the mates, mechanical, rack and pinion. Select the rack by selecting the edge. In pinion, select this. Pitch diameter will be what? 15. Okay, how does the pitch diameter is calculated? Pitch diameter is nothing, just module times the number of teeth. So its module is what? 1. Number of teeth is what? 15. So module times number of teeth 15. Click OK. Close this. So let's see if it's working or not. Working, but not the correct way. So how can you make it correct? Right click, rack and pinion. Click on reverse. Click OK. Yep, it's working. But issue, it's not correctly aligned. So right click, suppress, like my emotions, my fear, my depression. Now it's working, guys. Now what should I have to do next? Hmm, let's see. So I have to create a plane. Select this face. How many at how much distance? Let's make it 20. Click OK. Uh, Mirror components. Next. That looks good to me. Okay. If I rotate it, notice I got the movements, and that's basically what I want. And let's do some modification here as well. Click on it. Uh, let's make some more parts because I want to make it stable as well. So what I can do? See, let's see. Okay, click on here, new part. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8 for nodes into the view. Draw circles here. Draw circle here as well. Escape. Select this line, make it construction. Okay, mirror about this line. what I want to mirror. In these lines, go to the features, extrude, click OK. 10 extrusion is quite big, so make it 5 click OK. Now what I want to make it on this side as well. I can use it mirror. Before, let's use the mirror command. Components. Okay. Now I want a road in between it. So what I will do, click here, new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8. I know that my road diameter is 4 so I will create simply a circle, a rectangle of 2, and total length will be 60. 0, 10, revolve about what about this axis. My bad. Click OK. So select this line, make it construction, revolve both space, click on no, uncheck the thickness. What's going on? Okay, make it yes. Click OK. I also need some handles here. So select this face, click on sketch. Uh, so first control Z. What I will draw slopes. By pressing Ctrl select these 2 points, make it constant. Go to the features, make it 5 extrude. 3 is better. Click on offset, increase the distance, reverse direction. Click OK. Let's create a plane. The plane will be exactly at the center of it. Now mirror this. In features, what I want to mirror is this part. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Click OK. Exit the adjustment component mode. Select this face. Make sure log rotation is allowed. Select this face. This face. My bad. First right click on it and make it fixed so that it doesn't move. Select this face and this face. So if I move it, you can notice the movement in lag. Let's make the gears a little bit more better. Click on right component, select this face, click on sketch. draw a circle here. Center line like this. I think it's better. Like if I make any modification, it will long time. So how can I do the animation? So it's quite simple because I'm not going to use very high or complex things. So let's see how should I draw this. Let's at least give some colors, etc. things. Uh, Paint it. I will go to the motion study, make it up. Right click and disable the camera. Uh, Go to the file, drag it up, click here, increase the FPS. If you want to learn in motion analysis and basic animation in deep detail, I highly recommend check out my blog link in description. So you can see it's moving up. If you want zigzag, playback reciprocate, click to this. Now you can see the animation. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.